Please check if there are any missing accessories. As shown in the video, assemble the two parts of the paint sprayer together. Align the position and rotate to ensure the black protrusion snaps into place. Press and hold this button, then rotate to detach the sprayer. Install the battery as shown in the video. Press this switch to start the spray gun. This is the battery level display. The battery level will only show when you press the switch. This is a paint testing tool. Some paints perform better when diluted before use. Like in the video, scoop up the paint and then calculate the time it takes for the paint to drain out. The table only shows recommended run in seconds for different types of material. You can dilute the paint according to your needs. You can charge it by plugging the charger into the battery. This tube can be rotated, allowing you to adjust it according to your spraying angle. If you need to spray downward, adjust the tube to face forward as shown. If you need to spray upward, adjust the tube to face backward as shown. Rotate this button to adjust the spray volume as shown. Rotate the nozzle to adjust the spraying direction as shown. You can select vertical spraying, horizontal spraying, or small range spraying based on your needs as shown.